All right, and we are off on Tidal Surge at SeaWorld San Antonio. We're swinging. Oh, we're already up in the sky. That didn't take long at all. Whoa, we're up here. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, 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 a little airtime there. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Whoa, the wind! The wind! Whoa! Oh, oh my goodness! Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! 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 We're upside down! Oh, G-forces! Whoa! Whoa! I'm out of my seat! Whoa! Whoa! I think it's slowing down. We're slowing down now. Oh, that was pretty wild. What'd you think about Tidal Surge?
I cursed once or twice.
Oh, it's pretty cool. Wow, that was a great ride.
That was a great ride.
We waited 15 minutes for it. I think that was worth it. You think it was worth the wait?
Yeah, I think it was.
I think this opened last year or the year before. I think this is new for 2022. Great new addition for SeaWorld San Antonio. Great ride.